Hi voices, welcome to the Voice of the Journey Payanathinmozhi. I want to share something very special but important. சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் தொலைஞ்சு போன மாதிரி ஃபீல் பண்ணுறீங்களா? டோன்ட் வரி, திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்பேஸ் ஃபார் யூ. நம்ம சிவில் இன்ஜினியரில் இருக்கவங்க நிறைய பேர் என்ன கரியர் பாத்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு தெரியாமல் இருக்காங்க. எல்லோரும் ஒரே ஜாப்புக்கு தான் அப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்க, அது மட்டும்தான் அவங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு. Civil engineering is not just a one job. It is a field with wide range of opportunities both in private and government organizations. This video is mainly for students and freshers who is mainly confused because they don't know the complete picture of the field. I will give you a simple and clear overview of the main career paths available in civil engineering in current market. As I said before, civil has more career paths, but here I have shown only few. If required, we'll see it in part 2. Do comment for it. Let us see more about this list. The first major role is site engineer. In this position, it involves supervising construction activities, managing materials and manpowers, and ensuring that work is executed as per the drawings and meeting quality standards. The second career path is a quality engineer, also called as QA/QC engineer. This role focuses on material testing, inspections, documentations, and making sure that the construction meets the quality standards or quality guidelines. The third career path is planning engineer. A planning engineer prepares schedules, tracks daily and monthly progresses, coordinates between teams, and ensures that a project moves smoothly as per the timeline. The fourth career path is quantity surveyor or QS engineer is another important role. It includes estimation, BOQ preparation, billing, measurements, and project costing. This job is highly valued in both construction and consulting firms. The fifth career path is safety engineer, and another important opportunity for a civil engineer. This safety officers monitors site safety practices, conduct toolbox meetings, observes hazards, and ensures that the workspaces remains accidents free and meets safety guidelines. The sixth career path is design engineer, a technical and creative path. A design engineer does structural design and analysis using software tools such as AutoCAD, STAAD, Pro, etc. These are essential in this domain. The seventh career path is survey engineering. It includes leveling, contouring, total station operation, and GPS based surveying. This role is crucial in every infrastructure projects. The next job is a metro rails or rail jobs, which is highly demand among civil engineers. These roles includes planning, execution, quality control, survey, and tunnel related works. This is the kind of a job every person wants to be in, that is government job. In government sectors, the jobs includes AE, JE, but for that we have to write some exams like SSC, RRB, PSU, GATE exams, and other state engineering services. These jobs provide stability, growth, and long-term benefits and different job exposure. The 10th is tunnel or mining engineer. This job also important and demand sector for civil engineer. In this job includes design, plans, and oversees underground construction works such as tunnels, shafts, etc. An engineer role is to ensure safety, geotechnical stabilities, smooth project execution using advanced tunneling technologies like TBM and NATM, etc. This is one of the key role in every project, that is environmental engineer. In this, it focuses on sustainability, pollution control, and ensuring environmentally safe project execution. Hardly one or two people will be there in for the entire construction projects. The next one is one of important role in management level of project is project engineer. He or she coordinates and manages construction activities, ensuring projects are completed on time, within budget, and as per quality and safety standards. Not only these career paths, there are many more. Whatever the role, it requires specific skills, and selecting the right path can bring clarity and confidence. No matter your background or experience level, you can build a strong career with right guidance. We'll explore each role in detail, including required skills, salaries, and job growth. For more videos and knowledge, do subscribe the channel. If you like my effort, click the like button. Keep walking, keep growing. Your journey is worth it. Thank you for watching. This is the voice of the journey, Payanathinmozhi. Hi voices, welcome to the voice of the journey, Payanathinmozhi. I want to share something very special but important. சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் தொலைஞ்சு போன மாதிரி ஃபீல் பண்ணுறீங்களா?